Motorola is expanding its Moto Things collection with a fresh new wearable, the Moto Watch Fit. Here's everything you need to know. Designed for modern lifestyles, the Moto Watch Fit features a stunning 1.9-inch OLED display, delivering up to 1,000 nits of peak brightness. Wrapped in a sleek aluminum frame and protected by durable Gorilla Glass 3, it's made to handle daily adventures with ease. Rain or shine, dust or dirt, the Moto Watch Fit stays resilient with its IP68 water and dust resistance rating, ready for whatever the day throws your way. And when it comes to endurance, Motorola isn't pulling any punches. The Moto Watch Fit boasts up to 16 days of battery life on a single charge. Yes, 16 days of power without constant recharging. Built for fitness enthusiasts, it packs over 100 sports modes, advanced heart rate monitoring, calorie tracking, and sleep analysis, giving you the insights you need to crush your goals. Beyond fitness, the Moto Watch Fit handles your everyday essentials too. Control your music, stay on top of notifications, and keep your world moving at a glance, right from your wrist. Styled to stand out, it comes with a bold forest green fabric band with a vibrant yellow stripe, and with 22mm compatibility, you can easily personalize your look with third-party bands. The Moto Watch Fit is arriving soon across North America. Stay tuned for official launch details and get ready to take your fitness and style to the next level with Motorola.